Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about AWS Certificate Manager. There is a client who wants to access your website using the secure HTTPS protocol, and your website is hosted on AWS servers. How can this be arranged? Well, we know from previous tutorials that your website needs to have an SSL TLS certificate to confirm to the browser that this is going to be indeed a secure connection. And in AWS, there's a special service for provisioning, managing, and deploying SSL certificates, and it's called AWS Certificate Manager. It can work with two types of certificates. The first type are public certificates, which can be issued either by Amazon Trust Services, which is Amazon's own certificate authority. So you don't have to go anywhere. It's all made very easy for you. So you just go in and issue these certificates using Amazon Trust Services. And it's very straightforward. It basically works directly through ACM. On the other hand, if you do want to go to an external CA, you can do that, but then you'll have to import the certificate into ACM. Keep in mind for the exam that the difference before how you renew the certificates. If you're using Amazon Trust Services, then renewal is automatic. If you're using other external CAs, then you can't automatically renew the certificates from ACM. But you can set up reminders, for example, 30 days in advance to remind you to renew the certificate. The second type of certificates that ACM works with are your own certificates. So you can set up a certificate authority of your own inside ACM. And this is, of course, for private use internally within your business. So you might have use cases inside your organization where you need to issue these certificate authorities or certificates for internal use, and ACM can facilitate that as well. Another thing you need to keep in mind is that you can monitor and audit your certificates using CloudWatch Event and CloudTrail. And one final thing for the exam, keep in mind the difference between KMS, which is used to store keys, and ACM, which is used to store SSL TLS certificates. There you go. That's all you need for the exam. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed today, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.